Ever had a grilled cheese look like this? Burnt bread, cold cheese. It's a total disaster. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich, crispy on the outside and melty on the inside without burning the bread.
Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat.
First things first, you gotta start with good bread. I'm using sourdough because it holds up and it gives us that perfect crunch. Now, here's the trick. Instead of buttering the bread first, we're gonna spread a thin layer of mayo on each slice. Why mayo, you ask? Because it helps the cheese stick to the bread on the inside. We're going with a combination of American cheese and sharp cheddar cheese. That makes the perfect combination. Once the cheese is on, brush one side of your sandwich with butter and place it butter side down in a cast iron skillet that's already heated up on medium-low heat. Pro tip here, we want to go low and slow. We want to toast the bread without burning it, so keep that heat on the lower side and always use that lid. The lid helps the cheese to melt while the bread crisps up. You're gonna want to check it often though. We're not flipping it just once. We're doing it a few times to keep things even. Keep flipping and adjusting the heat as needed, but remember, patience is key here. If the heat's too high, you're going to end up back where we started, with burnt bread and cold cheese. Not today. And there it is, the perfect grilled cheese. Golden, crispy, and check this out, melted cheese all the way through. That's a thing of beauty.